Hi, I'm Elise and today I'm here to talk you through how to make your own eyelet curtains. Making your own curtains is a great way to save money and design a one-of-a-kind feature that adds a personal touch to your room. To make your own curtains, you'll need a sewing machine. A basic one will do the job just fine, or you can hand sew with a needle and thread. If you can't sew, you can use iron-on hemming tape as an alternative, a metal measuring tape, as a fabric line can stretch and distort your measurements, a metal ruler, sharp sewing scissors, a stitch unpicker and pins, a grey lead pencil, an ironing board and washing machine. If you're making eyelet curtains, you'll also need eyelet tape. And of course, you'll need curtain fabric and some thread. We'll have more on how to choose your fabric in a moment. But no matter which fabric you choose, you should always follow the care instructions that you find on its tag in store. The first step is measuring your window. Check out our handy video on how to do this so you can get your measurements just right. The fabric you choose depends on the room you're sewing for and how much sewing experience you have and what style decor you like. If you're a beginner, medium weight fabric is easier to work with. Cotton is your best bet. Choose a weave that will give you a nice amount of weight and drape. If you're making curtains for your bedroom, choose a thicker material or one that's block-out coated. If the room receives a lot of sunlight, choose neutral coloured materials so they look better if they fade over time. You can find fabrics in all different colours, patterns and textures to match your room style. Also, choose a thread in a colour that complements your fabric. To ensure you get the right amount of fabric, double the width of your window so that the curtain appears full when it's on the rod. Then add 12 centimetres to the width of each panel you plan to make. This extra fabric will make up your side hems. If you have a wide window, you may have to attach a few panels together to cover the whole thing, so keep this in mind when measuring. The number of panels you need will be determined by how wide your fabric is when you cut the selvages off. To determine your curtain's height, measure your window's height and add 30 centimetres so that there is space to sew in top and bottom hems. Once you're happy with your measurements, cut your fabric using your sharp scissors or a rotary cutter. Then press your fabric with an iron to remove any wrinkles. Start by making the side hems. Fold the vertical edges over 3 centimetres and press. Then fold them over another 3 centimetres and press again. Then secure the hems in place with hemming tape or by sewing. If you're using hemming tape, place the tape between the folded face and the curtain front and iron it in place. Then, allow it to cool before moving on to the next steps. Always follow the ironing instructions the tape comes with. If you're sewing, sew down the edge to hold it in place. If you're using a thick fabric, you may want to pin it in place before you sew. Repeat this for the other side of the curtain. To add the eyelets, follow these steps. Fold the top edge of the curtain down about 10 centimetres, or the width of your pleat tape, and press. Fold it down again about 10 centimetres and press. Then attach the top hem in place with hemming tape or by sewing. If you're using hemming tape, place the tape between the folded face and the curtain front and iron in place. If you're sewing, sew down the edge to hold the hem in place. Be sure to sew across the side seams. Cut the eyelet tape to the width of the curtain and pin in place. Using a fabric marker, trace around the inside of the eyelets. Then, take the tape off and cut out the circles. Make sure you cut through both layers of fabric. Line up the tape and clip the eyelet fronts in place. The bottom hem is deeper than all the other hems, so your curtain drapes nicely. To work out how deep to sew the bottom hem, first check how your curtain hangs on the rod or track. Pull it straight and measure how much fabric is left over at the bottom. Write this number down. Then take the curtain down and fold the bottom edge up by half of the number you wrote down. Press it with an iron and then secure it with hemming tape or by sewing. If you're using hemming tape, put your tape in place and iron down. Then fold the same measurement again and repeat. If sewing, fold and press as before and sew in place. Be sure to tuck the corners under. Now your curtains are ready to hang. If you have any questions on how to make your curtains or the fabric you need, come in store and chat with one of our team members or visit us online at spotlightstores.com.